Thank you for the Weekend Prime and welcome back. This being the segment that is Week in Review, and today being the very last week review in the year 2023, and we go straight to how Kenyans have rated the government this year. And we start by Kenyans expressing their dissatisfaction with the Kenya Kwanza government, going forward to rate President William Ruto with grade D, and Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua equally being graded at an E, and D for executive, legislature, judiciary, and police and the opposition also being graded at a D. Kenyans expressing themselves on how they feel with the government, and it goes straight to the MCAs. Now, it is a question of spending culture in the country, the government, both the county and the national government, and Kenyans. MCAs have been found to have spent 3 billion shillings on travels this year. Now, this according to the Controller of Budget, who says that travels are unnecessary. Nairobi County's appetite going over the roof with the traveling expenses, and the Controller of Budget wants MCAs to seek foreign clearance before they travel outside the country or even within the country. And we go to the end of the road for Justice Judge Chitembwe. These came after the Supreme Court rejected the judge's petition to the Supreme Court of Kenya seeking to quash the decision that had been given earlier by the tribunal that had been formed by President William Ruto. And Chitembwe was contesting a tribunal verdict, and the judge is accused of gross misconduct, and the bench found, that is the Supreme Court bench, found that the evidence confirmed Chitembwe violated the ethics and code of conduct for the judges. And we go to a sad story that happened in the country, that is in Meru County. That is the sniper's murder. Now, Interior CS Kithure Kindiki vowing that investigations will be done and those that are found culpable will be brought to action. Now, detectives are conducting investigations. Sniper was tortured and murdered. His body was dumped and was retrieved recently, and autopsy shows that he was strangled. This is a story that we continue to follow up even as security installations continue to give us information. And now it is the festive season. People are having fun across the board, and with that, Kenyans have been urged to watch your diet, watch what you're eating, what you're drinking this festive season. Police are warning against drunk driving. If you are going to drink, find a designated driver. Far better off take a taxi back home. And the country's experienced accidents as well. Yesterday we talked about 7 deaths, and police have increased patrols on the roads and generally making sure that security in the country is good. And January bills around the corner. You better spend your money very well, because bills in January are coming up. But now let's take a short commercial break. Shall be back with much more.
Past Nicholas Jackson here.